Pyplok was originally developed for the aerospace industry and safely connects NPS pipe from 1/4 to 4-inch diameter, OD tubing from 1/4 to 2-inch, and metric tubing from 6 to 115 millimeters. These fittings are tested to handle operating pressures up to 10,000 psi or 690 bar. It's the ideal choice for a wide range of industries and has been successfully implemented in thousands of applications. Pyplok is a proprietary TubeMac product. The connection is made by swaging the Pyplok fitting onto the outside of the pipe or tube. The internal O-rings provide the protective seal. The outer seal prevents outside contaminants, such as seawater, from entering between the fitting and the pipe. The Pyplok system is shipped as a complete kit and comes ready to use with all required parts. Pyplok fittings are cold worked and permanently swaged onto piping using a portable handheld swaging tool. This process deforms the fitting diameter a controlled amount, converting linear force into a 360-degree force. Pyplok is a totally portable system and can be taken anywhere to create a permanent leak-free, tamper-proof connection in only a matter of seconds. The first step is to verify the minimum and maximum pipe diameter using the inspection gauge. Once the pipe is cut, it is critical to deburr the pipe to remove all sharp edges. Then clean the swage area down to the bare metal for the proper installation of the fitting. Next, mark the 2 pipe ends. Position the pipe against the stop pin on the bottom of the inspection gauge. Holding it in place, mark the pipe in 2 places. First, the insertion depth, and also make a secondary inspection mark. Repeat this procedure with the other end. Slide the Pyplok fitting over the pipe and position it so you can see the middle of the oval mark through the hole. Then place the Pyplok swaging tool around the fitting and swage. The actual swaging is completed in seconds and can be done virtually anywhere. Repeat with the other end of the pipe. Once it's swaged, visually inspect the connection. The insertion depth mark must be visible to ensure proper alignment for the seal. If it's not visible, a secondary inspection must be performed with the gauge to guarantee a leak-free connection. To complete installation, verify the swage diameter with the inspection tool. It's that fast, clean, and easy. To demonstrate the effectiveness of the Pyplok system, our pipe burst test reveals the strength and endurance of this unique product. The permanent characteristics of Pyplok make it ideal to replace bolted flange connections and threaded fittings, which can loosen over time due to impulse and vibration. As with all of TubeMac's products, Pyplok has earned approvals from many members of the International Classification Society and other governing bodies around the world. The Pyplok seal is tested durable in all environments, including shock and fire tests. It's a safe, cold work technology without the costs and hassles associated with welding. Pyplok connectors come in a variety of shapes to fit any system, including straight couplings, T's, 45-degree and 90-degree elbows, and custom end configurations. Pyplok is available in 316 stainless steel, duplex, super duplex, carbon steel, and copper nickel materials. They're the perfect solution for many high-pressure fluids and gases, including hydraulics, oil, utility piping, fire suppression, and steam.